If you're searching for the best AI video generators right now, you've probably noticed the good ones all want your money. The models keep getting better, but most of them are locked behind a paywall the moment you try to actually use them. So in this video, I'm giving you the tools that are still genuinely free. No trial period, no card details, and I'm saving the best one for the end. A way to get a top-tier AI video model without spending a single credit. Let's start with Qwen AI. Qwen is Alibaba's AI platform, and inside Qwen Studio, it can turn a text prompt or an uploaded image into a short video clip, completely free to use. Let's search for it and take a look. You just search Qwen AI, click on the first link, and from there you'll land on the Qwen homepage. Click on Try Qwen Studio in the top right corner, and you'll need to log in with your Gmail account to get in. Once you're in, click the plus icon, and you'll see the option to upload an attachment, along with options for Create Image and Create Video. Go ahead and upload the image you want to animate. Once your image is uploaded, write your prompt describing exactly what you want the video to do. Then click Create Video and hit the Generate button. So our video is ready now. Let's see how's the output. And honestly, it's a really good video. It maintains proper consistency, the visuals hold up, and it looks quite realistic with clean, natural motion. But it's not perfect. The biggest limitation is that you can only create videos up to 5 seconds per generation. And sometimes, if your prompt isn't clear enough, the video can feel a little unnatural and lose consistency. So the trick with Qwen is, be specific with your prompts. If you want a quick, decent quality animation and don't mind short clips, Qwen AI is a solid free starting point. Now this next one gets even better because Vibes AI actually solves one of the biggest problems free tools usually have. Vibes is Meta's AI video feed built into the Meta AI app, and it lets you generate, animate, and remix short AI clips for free using Meta's own models. Search for Vibes AI and log in using your Facebook account. Here you can upload up to 12 images at once. Write down your prompt, and you can generate videos up to 720p, and it also provides start and end frame video creation. Now by default, it only creates portrait videos. But here's the workaround. If you want a landscape video, upload your file first. Click on the image, then click Manual Animate, and paste your prompt in there. Once that's done, you'll see the video generated in landscape instead. Here, you also get the option to automatically extend or manually extend your video. So how does the output look? Honestly, it's impressive. The video looks realistic and consistent. And on top of that, you can even extend the video if you want it longer. Here's the catch though. If you download it normally, you're going to get a watermark on it. But there's a way around that too. Right-click on the video and select Inspect. In the window that opens on the right side, you'll find the video link. Copy that link, paste it into a new tab, and the video will open on its own. From there, right-click and download it, and this time, no watermark. Best pick if you want longer, higher-resolution videos without paying for watermark removal. Now, my personal favorite, VEO 3. VEO 3.1 is Google DeepMind's flagship AI video model, and you can access it for free through Google Flow. And here you get access to all of Google's AI video generation models in one place. You can choose your aspect ratio too. To animate an image, so upload it first, click the 3 dots on it and select Animate. Then paste your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, how many videos you want per task, and which model to use. Then hit Generate, and within a few minutes your video will be ready. And here, the output you get is absolutely impressive. Out of every tool we've looked at so far, this is the most consistent one. And I actually use VEO 3 for my own YouTube content, so I know firsthand how good these outputs really are. But of course, being this good comes with limits. In the free tier, you can only create 8-second videos. You get 50 credits per day, and each video takes around 10 credits, so that works out to about 48 seconds of video per day total. If you have multiple Gmail accounts though, you can stack that limit up. Now here's the surprise I promised at the start, SnapGen. It is a third-party platform that gives you access to models like VEO through its own studio, without eating into Google's daily credit system. If you want to use VEO 3 completely free, with no credit limits at all, there's a way. Just search SnapGen in Google, click the first link, and log in with your Google account. From the studio, click on VEO. And here's the part that makes this special. VEO uses 0 credits for video generation here. Now there is a catch. You can only generate videos from a text prompt. You can't animate your own images for consistent character-based videos like the other tools allowed. If you just need raw text-to-video with the power of VEO3 and don't need image animation, this is your unlimited, zero-cost option. So that's the real tested list of free AI video generators right now. Whether you're creating cinematic videos, social media clips, product showcases, or experimenting with the latest AI models, tools like Qwen AI, Vibes AI, VO 3.1, and SnapGen all have something unique to offer depending on your workflow. If you want AI tool videos that focus on what actually works instead of just hype, like this video and subscribe to FlowCube. See you in the next one.